Hello friends, in today's video I will share with you how you can optimize your Google PPC ad campaign. If you are an affiliate marketer and if you are a newbie affiliate marketer and want to run Google PPC advertisements, then this video is for you. If you want a quick result in affiliate marketing, you have to run ads. So let's get started. There are 10 major points I will discuss today that will help you to generate an effective ad campaign in Google PPC. The first is the efficient and relevant landing page. Your landing page must be a effective one and the relevant one. There must be all such keywords what you use inside your uh, ad copy, and in the keywords sections what the keyword you will put for targeting, and the uh, and that inside your landing page all such keywords must be there inside your landing page. And I like a review type of landing page instead of that a small one. People wants to know everything about the product, that A to Z about the product, that what's the features of the product and what are the pros cons and everything they want to know. So I always like review types and in detail uh, landing page, so you also do like the same. So that is effective because of Google also love this kind of review type landing page. So the first one is create an efficient and effective landing page. And how you can create an effective landing page, there are few tools like uh, Google Sites is a free tool. Inside Google Sites you can easily create a very good landing page and effective and also mobile friendly landing page. There are some paid tools like Go Pipeline Pros, and this is there is a very cheap tool, and that is only one time fees that you can try with Go Pipeline Pro. That is also a good tool. But if you want to spend more, ClickFunnels is the best, but that is very much costly. For beginners, I will never recommend to go with ClickFunnels. For free, you can try with uh, Google Sites, and if you want to spend some money, you can go with Go Pipeline Pro and some others tools like Elementor. You can use if you have a WordPress website, you can use Elementor tool. Elementor is very good for creating free landing pages. In the free version also inside Elementor, you can create a very good landing page. So these are the tools to create a landing page for free and also for paid. So you need to create an effective landing page first. The next is test various combination of ad copies and a landing page. If you are creating a landing page and if you feel that the landing page is very good from your side but that may not convert, and some ad copies you are writing a good ad copies but the ad copies are not converting, so don't be disappointed. You create new ad copies, test with new one, and you try with a new landing page again. And so PPC ad campaigns is all about testing. You have to test every time, all the time you have to test for the new with new landing page and uh, new keywords, and also the landing page new keywords and combination and various ad copies. So these things you have to create several times and test several times one until you get the winning campaign. You have to test every day. And the third one is improve your quality score. I have already created a video. I will put the video in the description below, so you can check the video how you can improve your quality score. Quality score depends on various things. Like here I have written that uh, like CTR. If your click through rate is good, then your quality score will be good. See how to improve your CTR. You have to create a good killer headlines, a good headlines to improve the CTR. Relevant keyword must be there, and keyword relevancy will be there. That in your copy, ad copy, there will be those keywords that you are targeting, and those keywords you are in your sales page and in the landing page. So there will be keyword relevancy in your landing page, in your ad copy. And the landing page experience, that the same thing. If your landing page is good, people get all the information what they want to know, then your CTR, then your quality score will be good. And the last one is extension. People don't want to use extension, but the extension are the most important thing to improve the quality score. I recommend you to always go with at least 4 site link extension whenever you are running a Google PPC ad campaign, and use the relevant keywords in the attractive keywords in the extension also. So that is a very good, very important thing. The fourth thing, number one is the keyword relevancy, landing page experience, your ad copy, and the uh, site link extension. These are the most important thing. The next is do the appropriate keyword research. For keyword research, you can go with Google Keyword Planner. There are various paid tools also, but I like to go with the Google Keyword Planner. You can also try with that. So keyword research is very much important because of the targeting. But never use the broad match. If you use the broad match, then most of the cases your ad will be shown in front of the wrong peoples. That irrelevant peoples will click on your ad, and your ad spend will be more, and your conversion will be less. But I will recommend you to go with phrase match and the exact match instead of broad match. And the next is negative keywords. Always include a negative keywords on which keyword you don't want to target your audience. Like for some softwares or some services, they have paid versions, and they have free tools also. Paid tools and free tools both are. If you are targeting general targeting, then you will get those kind of softwares with free softwares and like paid softwares. So if you are running ad, so definitely your ad is on the paid tools. So you put the free as a negative keyword there. There are various other negative keywords also. So do some research on negative keywords and use the negative keyword. That is very much important. The next point is make your bid and budget the most optimal. If your bid is too low and your budget is too low, so on that case Google will not display your ad properly. So you have to optimize your bid and budget. That is the important thing. But there is no such hard and fast rule that this is the bid for budget for this one. There is no such rules. What I do normally, I run my Google ads and allow Google to spend maximum at least 2-3 days, and after that I get an idea that this is the click through rate, CPC, cost per click. So on the basis of that I decide my bid, and the budget also I decide not too much less. If your budget is too much less, if you spend 200 rupees, 300 rupees per day, your ad will not be shown in the Google, because Google will not display your ad properly. So on that case you have to put a good budget. So on weight loss products, software products, I will recommend you to go with at least 2000 rupees per day for ad spend. That is at least. If you can spend more if you have the budget. Sorry. The next point is write a high converting ad copy. Your ad copy must be high converting one. Otherwise, people will not click on your ad. That is very much important. So you can use iSearch form is a tool. iSearch form. You can type in the Google and you will get a tool. From that tool you can spy on others ad and use their ad copy. But do not copy others ad copy. You just get idea from others, spy on others and get idea and use your own. The next is use of tracking tools of your PPC campaign. If you are a newbie affiliate marketer, then also you need this. A tracking tool is very important to optimize further your advertisement. You need to know everything, that from where your clicks are coming, which gender, which age, and which keywords the clicks are coming. These are the important things, and you need to track everything. I will recommend you to go with ClickMagick. This is a paid tool, but if you don't want to use paid tool, there are some others free tools also that like Bmob. You can use Bmob tool, that is also a good tool, but ClickMagick is the best one. So you can try ClickMagick for free. There is a free trial also, so you can try the free trial first, and if you like the tool, then go with ClickMagick. And the next one is use geo targeting and device targeting. And targeting is a very essential and good option, because if you target on the countries like second tier countries, or your conversion will not come. If you want to sell high ticket commissions, you want high ticket products, so on that case you have to target on the tier 1 countries like US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, like that. If you target the countries which are their economy is not that much strong, so on from those countries people don't have that buying capacity, so on that case your ad will not work. So I will always recommend you to go with the tier 1 countries to target, and also target on the device. Some products like weight loss products and big software products, uh, people's I what I have seen, what from my experience, that most of the clicks and most of the clicks are coming from all the devices, but most of the conversions comes on the computer only. And I like to omit or disable that from tablets and the smartphones. But sales are coming from all the devices, but if you have a small budget, if you don't want to spend lot, so on that case you can go with the computer only device. So you on that case your spend will be less and your conversion rate will be high, so you can try with the computer only. But if you want, you can try every all the devices, so on that case your ad spend will be little bit of higher side. And the targeting of the proper age group and the gender, I never recommend you to go with the age group like 18 to 20, 18 to 24 age group. That this age group buying rate or buying capacity is less, so they only click the ads, and then ultimately though they don't buy the ads. So always disable or uncheck the age group 18 to 24 years. And above age group, like above 25 age group, it's okay, they have the capacity to buy and they also buys the products also. And the and the next is the gender. Some products, some few products, they have the gender specific product. That means uh, some products that men only buy, and some products females only buy. So on that case uncheck the the other one, like for weight loss products, the most of the buyers are female, so on that case you uncheck the men's gender. That will be very much good. On that case your ad spend will be less and your conversion rate will be very much high. So these are the points you have to follow whenever you are running the Google PPC ad campaigns. So that's all about the PPC ad campaigns to optimize it properly and getting conversion. So if you like this video, definitely hit the like button and also subscribe my channel. And the videos are coming in a week. I'm publishing videos, and with giving good knowledge, I'm trying to give good knowledges. So definitely hit the subscribe button, and also hit the bell notification. And that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.